Book healthcare services in India smartly with ArogyaNow from anywhere in the world. Getting started is simple. Create your account in just a few easy steps. You can register manually or with Google or Microsoft credentials. Get your account verified. Once your account gets verified, you have to add your personal details, healthcare information and billing details for a more personalized experience. Now, add your family members, their healthcare details and keep all healthcare records connected in one place. You can add up to 6 members as additional members, including children, parents, grandparents, in-laws, uncles, aunts, or other dependents. Check your details and make the payment securely. Once your payment is completed successfully, you can download your receipt or you can view your dashboard where you can easily access your booking, medical reports and other healthcare information.